Hello, we are Group 8 and together we work to design three proposals. The first one is a pledge. We feel that there's a lack of coherent community-based systemic motivation to ensure that the VU remains committed to a sustainable future. The VU should make a sustainable pledge towards a regenerative university, including a percentage of the budget spent towards sustainability efforts. Considering different factors and stakeholders, we came up with the idea of launching a living lab cycle. The VU should engage in a two-year action cycle structured around the CSRD reporting cycle to improve internal and external sustainability of the VU. This cycle will enable the integration of internal challenges in curricula, strengthen a sense of community, and important, this should be complementary to existing reporting cycle. Our last proposal, the VU should move towards one of the top three sustainable banks, as large commercial banks remain linked to fossil fuel, arms, and unethical practices.